So I welcome to all of you. Especially, we have decided this session to discuss about Omicron and lockdown. Especially, we have seen that night curfew has been started in UP, and number of patients are we are getting who are suffering from Omicron, and we can say that it's the third wave of Corona. So every Sunday we get together here to share our opinion, to talk with everyone else. So, guys, you people are allowed to speak. So, Amarnath sir, are you listening me?
Yes, sir.
Amarnath sir, I want you to put some point of view that what is Omicron and why
The
lockdown is.
Omicron, the Omicron variant is a new variant of COVID-19.
Okay,
It was first reported to the WHO from South Africa on 24 November 2021.
okay,
On 26 November, WHO designated it as a variant of concern and named it Omicron.
okay,
Compared to previous variant of concern, Omicron is believed to be far more contagious and spread around 70 times faster than any previous variant in the bronchi or lung airways.
lungs airways. Okay,
The new variant was first detected on 22 November in library in Botswana and South Africa based on the collected sample. But first
okay,
confirmed specimen of Omicron were collected on 8 November 2021 in South Africa and on 9 November 2021 in Botswana.
okay,
On 25 November, one confirmed case was identified in Israel.
okay,
And according to the current data of Omicron in India, the first case of Omicron in the Himachal Pradesh in current and Omicron lead third wave in India may not be as severe as the past wave. It is believed to the scientists, sir.
okay.
And nowadays, the total number of Omicron case in our country has 236, according to Ministry of Health and Family Welfare data shows.
Okay. And what is the death rate, sir?
Death rate is poor according to the past wave. It believed to the scientists, sir. The people who take the both dose of the both vaccinated dose, it
Okay,
not affected at the previous form.
okay. Yes, who have been vaccinated, who have taken both
Yes,
doses,
yes, I am
they are safe.
vaccinated. I yes,
Okay, you have also vaccinated. So absolutely that the Omicron is also we are suffering from the Omicron. And the second point we were discussing about lockdown. So I want to know that why in the UP and in Rus countries, Rus areas, especially in Maharashtra and Delhi,
Maharashtra.
night curfew has
Most
been
of the
started.
cases. Yes, yes. Maharashtra at first declare more cases, and now lockdown night lockdown is started at 11 p.m. to 5 a.m. And in
Okay,
future, it is possible that a lockdown may be confirmed, sir.
okay.
If
So
BJP
that
want to, if बीजेपी want to, अ, अगर उसको चुनाव जीतना होगा तो
actually, especially you
Amarnath
have
sir,
said
always the UP in lockdown completed.
no, sir. It is not possible in few months, but it is possible in the month of January and February.
okay.
Okay.
Means
Okay.
uh, there is a possibility of full lockdown. You mean to say that?
Yes, yes. It is full possibility
I wanna tell
lockdown.
you the mean of the night curfew. Why not night curfew has been started? The action has been taken by the government or Supreme Court. This action is because they wanna break the circumstances. If 7 and 8 hours there is a lockdown, so the means the virus is at one place. It is not going to one place to another place. Means especially that who are having Omicron, who are suffering, especially they will have to stay at home. They can stay at home and they are safely, and they are not coming out of the home. So especially night, no one comes. Then it is also broken. The government is taking this seriously. That's why night curfew has been started in UP. And I agree with it that if there is a night curfew, then if no one is going to come out of the home, so no one is going to just do something, okay. And it's not curfew, it's all about lockdown, okay. So people must follow in the sense that they should sleep and they should take rest. It is good for their health and their native persons too. And
Yes,
quarantine
sir.
system is also part of the Omicron and lockdown. So especially who are we cannot see that who has that normal viral fever, viral cold. It is also going on, and people are taking lightly. This is just like corona. But in COVID second wave, we have lost number of the people. We don't wanna lose again. Especially we need to save our children. They are not vaccinated. We should not take it lightly. And as you are saying about the BJP or the government is absolutely responsible for it. Okay, if they know that such kinds of circumstances is going on, then why the government let the people come out of the home and let the people do their work without mask? And especially people do not care about the mask. So it is the major problem that they are facing. So they should consider that what they wanna do means they wanna alive, they wanna die. So they should understand that if they are coming without mask, they are sitting without mask, they are working without mask. It means they are doing dangerous job for their health and their family members. And now the fine is also being taken by the police that if someone is not wearing the mask, if he will be caught red-handed or by the police, then he will be charged some of the money. So, do you consider if there is a night curfew in coming days, we would find out the same way that last time we find out just a night curfew and then after weekend curfew, then after some more lockdown, like whole lockdown, means 21 days lockdown, 2 months lockdown, 4 month lockdown, and especially during the lockdown that our education system is getting very weak. So especially we have to face the major problem that who are the private teacher and private employee, okay, and businessman, they are unable to work. Again, we have to suffer from that.
Yes, sir.
So, if it is possible that we have to suffer again, then what we will do that how we will come out of this situation? Is there anyone who wanna tell something? I think everyone has gone. So especially there is Deepak sir and Amarnath sir. You both are here. So Amarnath,
Yes, sir.
Deepak sir, you should put the point. If there will be lockdown, then what type of problem we are going to face again? Means in last 2 years,
Deepak sir, please
we
reply.
have to suffer.
Yes, sir. Hello.
Sir, continue, sir.
What is your question, sir?
My question is, sir, you need to put your point of view about this.
Lockdown. Hello.
Sir, tell something about lockdown.
Amarnath, sir. You have put
Yes,
up your
sir.
question. You're not preparation. I'm not preparation.
Sir says to you, sir, what is the main problem that created by this lockdown?
Yes.
Why you survive? Why you survive himself? If
Lockdown is
lockdown
a.
again,
Yeah.
then according to sir, what is the main problem? Are we are suffering and how to survive in the field?
Sir, according me to, I'm not to survive to third. My job to self marketing line is very difficult conditions in UP. The government is the
Very
both our
interesting
government is
member
the
has joined.
what?
Pankaj sir, right now there is a Pankaj sir that he has joined.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Good evening, sir.
Pankaj sir, very good evening. If you heard about the topic that we have decided here, that we are talking about Omicron. So, Pankaj sir, if it is possible, then turn on your camera and mic and try to tell your opinion about on this topic.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Pankaj sir, tell us that what is Omicron, that how you are taking it, that it can't be taken
Omicron.
lightly.
Yes, sir. Yes, Omicron is a variant of COVID-19, COVID, and it is nowadays spreading across the
Yes.
country, and
Okay.
there are many state government also are working on it. Like that, there are the Delhi government. They are working so well for Omicron. They are preparing for around 1 lakh bed for per day, and government are taking regulatory measures so that we can easily control the COVID, this variant of COVID-19, and there are, as we have seen, so many problems like oxygen, lack of oxygen cylinders, and uh, and other facilities which a person need, but we did not get. So all the government are working together, and we hope that there should not be any kind of the lockdown, so that we can enjoy our life freely.
Actually, that we are also scared of the lockdown. if it happens that we will have to face very major problem. We haven't come out yet from the last 2 years uh, means loss means we had lost our 2 years. You can say that if again we are going to face, then who are going to take the guarantee of that fourth wave will not come? If the, every year we are suffering from this major problem, then it is really critical for us. And what do you
Yeah.
want to say about night curfew, night lockdown in UP?
Yes, I don't think night curfew is just so effective because there are the so many things which is constantly working, and as we know that there are the buses which runs in night, and many person do. There is a not much effect of night curfew.
Yeah, there are no effect of night curfew. That people are going one place to another place by the bus. Or if they are following the night curfew, they should stay at one place.
Yes,
Okay, they should not means walk by route one place to another place.
yes, sir.
So absolutely right. Then why the government is
By the go
Yes, sir. Your voice is not coming clearly.
Hello,
Yes, sir.
hello.
Hello.
By the government, if the government want it should be stopped, then there should be strong action should be taken by the
Yes,
government. There is strong
yes,
action. I mean to say that the government should take care. Government should stop people from 4 p.m. to 10 p.m. like that. People come out of the home and stop the doing
the journey in night time? As you have said that trains are also running one place to another place.
yes, sir. And also, I would like to some more point in this discussion, like
Yes,
that.
you should put, sir.
Yes, sir. Like that, the problem we have faced during the COVID-19, and we are also knowing that we are going to face the same problem if the Omicron is going to spread. So, the governments, doctors, they are taking the right decision to work on it. And other thing, I would like to say that the many person, many person like the front warrior and our prime minister also addressed the nation that there is a booster vaccine of Omicron is going to be for 60-year-old people. So
Okay.
there are the measures which are taken by our government, and definitely we are ready to fight against the Omicron version.
So how many chances are there that can you imagine that there will be lockdown?
Sorry, sir, I have not got.
Means how many percentage of chances? What will be the percentage that
60%, sir.
lockdown may happen?
Near about 60% chance to the next time in the month of January, a full lockdown support by the government.
As
And
definitely,
why night curfew or lockdown is being held in UP only, not in another state?
as we know that their election are coming towards
Okay.
this, and this is also coming that our government is taking the many other step like that election coming in UP. And what do you think?
Yeah, you just sometimes we are also be getting, but we cannot ignore the death rate. That last time that there was also lockdown, we were also talking about the election. There was the election in Bengal. Okay, so especially everywhere we find out there was lockdown, but especially in Bengal, their campaigning was going on. Everything is going on. In daytime, we are seeing that campaigning is also going on. So we are also suffering from that.
Yes, as we know that there are 2 to 4 rallies of Narendra Modi is still left, and if any kind of the lockdown is going to happen, this will happen after as Narendra Modi completed their rally in UP. After that, they can enforce the lockdown.
Yes, after completing his rally, that he will insist the people to
BJP,
stay in home.
sir, BJP want to own the UP election. So it is possible in the time of election, complete lockdown. Maybe, sir, I don't know about this.
I
Maybe
think
full chances to the
if
complete
you have the
lockdown.
information about the Supreme Court has declared that election should be postponed due to Omicron.
Yes, it is guideline of the High Court of Allahabad. But according to the state government and uh, uh, matlab both the places are BJP government, so it is not possible to break up the election.
Yes, definitely. If the BJP thinks that they are going to lose
So
the
you
election,
mean
they
to
are
say that
definitely postponing.
according
If
to
we,
Amarnath sir, that
Yeah.
BJP is fully responsible for the Omicron, as I'm just
Yes,
saying,
yes,
and BJP is
yes,
fully responsible
yes.
for the
At
lockdown in
first,
Omicron.
sir, at first, it BJP do more uh, advertisement and rally in the UP. After the complete of that type of advertisement and different rallies, it do complete lockdown for the purpose of on the election.
and
Because
so
of the in
then,
the opposition party SP also in the fight, and
yes,
so it is
definitely they thinks that the other party should not do their rallies so that there is no effect on their vote banks.
yes, in the
They,
in case of BJP more multimedia setup also prefer to the BJP.
So actually, there is a politics. We can. I agree with you that in Omicron or lockdown, that government is also playing politics with it, and
तिवारी जी को प्रणाम.
प्रणाम प्रणाम महाराज सुन रहे थे हम
very very welcome, very
थैंक यू
welcome,
सर
sir, in your discussion.
थैंक यू
You can share
वेलकम
your opinion, as very soon the Deepak sir will join us.
The
थैंक
respected Tiwari sir, you also live in Maharashtra, so please give your opinion with respect to the Omicron, to the new variant of COVID-19.
COVID-19 is normal सर्दी जुकाम नो प्रॉब्लम
How many percent chance to the lockdown? Next lockdown, complete lockdown.
नो चांस
So why, sir, in the night curfew are allowed by the government?
नो नॉट अलाउड
actually,
In UP, sir, in UP, 11 p.m. to 5 a.m.
तो सर 5 AM 11 PM पे आप निकलते हैं रात से घर से बाहर और 5 बजे आप बाहर निकलते हो नहीं निकलते हो वैसे भी लॉकडाउन
No, sir, it is not possible by me, but another people do as do it.
नॉट सर एक्चुअली
suppose I have worked.
मुंबई में
Dinesh
नाइट
sir, listen. Suppose I have worked in Lucknow and
Chalalo.
I belong to Gorakhpur. Okay, and then I will go by train or anything. Okay, then I will go by bus or so on. If it is working, then I am following the bus. The government should stop the buses and railway system in night time. If there is a lockdown, then the two things are running. Then people are not following the rules or regulation of lockdown. Night
Definitely,
lockdown means that no
they
one should come out of the home.
तो
they have
आप
many pretends to come out, like that they have train ticket, they have the booking of buses ticket, and so they easily get the access to go in lockdown.
Go.
So there is a no effect of lockdown and no effect of night curfew.
यस
Then why the government is doing so on? But it's all about formality.
लॉकडाउन डे अफेक्टेड नाइट नो अफेक्टेड
Formality is being formality is being done, right,
Uh,
Dinesh sir?
as we know that the night curfew, because people should not run the long distance. They should go there from where they can return home by 5 a.m.
सर
By
अगर अगर नाइट कर्फ्यू लगाना है तो यूपी महाराष्ट्र गोवा इस सब में लगाए 31st तक, तब देखें टूरिस्ट
no
प्लेस
night curfew cannot be affected in Maharashtra, as we know that there are the government of other party. So it never be possible to lock down in
Yeah, it's all
Maharashtra.
about the state government. It's a matter of a state government. But after all, we are facing such as a problem that we are talking about that.
But most of the cases sir come out from Maharashtra.
It comes out, but mm, they are not going to enforce any kind of lockdown because they know that there is a loss of economy if they enforce the lockdown.
Absolutely right. The economical condition of the person and state is really decreased.
Yes, sir. As we
But
know that, as we have seen the crashes in economy like 23.9% negative GDP growth we have seen during the COVID-19. So they know that how can lockdown affect the life of people, the life of
I think
countries.
lockdown will be held for the education system.
Yes, it also harms the education system because we know that how the student get education during the lockdown.
Let's see what will happen. As I consider that things are getting changed, that there is a school there is a school, but before school there used to be Gurukul. People used to go Gurukul for studying. That was hostel system. Okay, all the students had to leave the home. But nowadays, means Gurukul is no longer now. We can say that. Okay, that hostel
Yes,
life
sir.
and school life, but it is also we will see in coming days. The school life is no longer now.
Yes, sir.
In
आगे
coming days, we will be talking. There is no school, there is no college, there is no coaching. Learn
गब्बर इज
from the
बैक
home and from
गब्बर
the
इज
home.
बैक गब्बर इज बैक
Means everything will be dependent online and people will be passive.
गब्बर इज बैक उन्मुक्त इज कमिंग
Gabbar is back. So especially we are talking about just what we are going to face. We are going to kill means student strength. Last 2
Yes,
years
sir.
we have seen that students are not going to college and school and coaching.
And they are not getting the direct education, which is must for a student, because a student who is in class 8th, 9th, 10th class, they don't know how to concentrate, how they can study online. And there are in rural areas, there are no facility of mobile in internet connectivity. So the most of the person which is affected is a rural
And
areas people.
do you know, Pankaj sir, that data is getting costly due to the online classes?
Yes, definitely. The
Actually,
telecom
data
companies
are
taking
taking
telecom
more
companies
charges.
are, yes, sir.
They have enhanced their value of money. Okay, they have means whatever we were taking from them, that they have enhanced. We are spending 10 rupees per day for a SIM. Okay, you are using one SIM, minimum 10 rupees you have to pay.
Yes, sir. Because they know that their people don't have any option to replace this kind of data, because people are getting addicted to internet, and their work will not, they cannot go
Go
without
without.
data, without internet, without data, because they are addicted to it.
Absolutely right. So, Unmukt, you have joined now. So, yesterday you were told that there we will talk about Omicron and lockdown. Do you want to say something about Omicron?
No, sir.
Unmukt? Okay, Unmukt doesn't want to say something. Vibha ma'am, do you want to say something?
सर मम्मी घर पे है ही नहीं, क्या बात करोगे?
Oh, she has gone somewhere else. Then why did you
बगल
join
में
late?
बगल बोल रहे हैं।
नहीं सर, नहीं है।
Okay, let it be. Dinesh sir, especially you are not allowed to speak in Hindi, as you know that if you are joining on Sunday, then especially on Sunday we need to use only English sentences. Okay, we need to talk in English. And right now we are getting that Amarnath sir, your video is not available. But after all, we come to the enjoy that Krishna, one member has joined right now. So Krishna,
My video is not open now, sir.
yes, it is not visual. It doesn't matter. So I wanna mention you people that we will meet on next Sunday. I wanna stop the discussion right now. That Pankaj sir has given very interesting topic. So
Yes, sir.
really, I learned so many things from you people, and I want to keep visiting on this channel. And this video will be uploaded on YouTube, so you can share with the people and who are a good speaker in English communication. They can join this, okay, and they can come to us. They can also participate in this discussion. They can put the point of view. Then next topic for the discussion you will be given in the group and your WhatsApp group and so on, that by which and must prepare the debate and come to talk on that topic. And we will improve two things: our knowledge and skill. With just if the people will show their interest every day, then I will put it as means every day. I will keep doing this work every day, 1 and 30 minutes. Means the debate and discussion will held on Telegram channel that will be free of cost. That who are English speakers, they can join and they can put their opinion. They can talk with us. Okay, so everyone can enjoy over here. Okay, I
Yes,
would
sir.
like to give some more time on this channel and try to share with your colleague and native persons. And I'm working to teach you people how to speak in English, and I also want you all to grow up as much as possible.
Yes,
So
sir.
thank you for giving your precious time, guys, and keep learning.
Yes, sir. And
Okay, sir. Good night.
Okay, good
thank you
night.
so much, sir, for conducting this knowledgeable class, as
You
we are
all,
at home.
you
And
all are most welcome, most welcome. And Pankaj sir, do join every weekend.
yes, sir,
Anyhow, try to
definitely.
join. Okay,
Yes, sir, I
and
will definitely join every
call
time.
your member and batchmates that who are from the Gosai Ganj. they can
Yes,
also
sir.
Sir, आपको
join in this,
homework
and you can also invite your friend circle who have done study with you. They can also join
Yes,
this
sir.
group, and they can come here for the communication.
Yes, sir.
And you can also
Definitely, I will
invite
talk.
your students on your Telegram channel. I know you have your Telegram channel.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So
sir
exactly,
homework
link should be given. You should give the link to me, that I will also send all the students that link, and invite all
Yes,
the
sir.
students to join my channel. Okay, and this will be uploaded on YouTube. If I find out, means more person and they would pay something for it, then I will get it held every day. Okay,
Yes, sir. Every day
means
will be much helpful because the English speaking is not
actually
needs
it
everyday
helps.
practice.
Actually, our my class runs online every day. I teach daily at 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. But I wanna tell,
Yes,
if there will be more students, then they have, if they know how to speak English, okay, very well, they can
yes,
join.
sir.
My most of the students are busy. In last Sunday, that only 2 members had joined. That, but right now we are four. But let's see the next Sunday. Okay, there will be a topic,
Eh,
and
eh,
we would decide any current topic. We would discuss on it, and
Yes,
who
sir.
are
Actually,
preparing for
we did
job
not
and
get
interview,
any.
they can also join.
Yes, sir. Actually, I did not get any kind of the notification of this class. I click randomly. I got here
Oh,
is some live classes running. I have joined. I just came from market and open the data
that's
and
great.
find that there is some notification on Telegram, and I have joined. But sir, I want to say you should publish your class. You should publish notification about class in every group with timing, so that the more student can join and they can kept themselves free at 8 p.m.
Okay, okay, okay. It was done yesterday. It was done yesterday that I invited everyone. That you can also check
Yes,
my
sir, but
status on
you have
WhatsApp.
not published it in Gosaikan's group.
Oh, yeah, maybe that. I think I have left that group. I'm not in that group.
Yes, then you should.
Okay, 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 okay.
Uh,
I'll be added as soon as possible, and I would also
yes,
invite
sir.
over there.
Yes,
So okay, catch you on next Sunday. तब
yes,
तक
sir.
एडवर्टीजमेंट एकदम पक्का है नेक्स्ट संडे को, दैट आई विल नॉट मिस इट. कुछ भी हो जाए, दैट आवर लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग सेशन विल हेल्प. ओके.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
मतलब चाहे जहाँ, ये तो ऐसा नहीं है दैट वी आर coming to talk that at one place to another place, if there is data and net, then we can be connected easily. So guys, bye bye,
Yes,
take
this
care,
is.
good night. Amarnath sir, Dinesh sir, good night.
गुड नाइट
Good
सर.
night,
Sir,
sir.
good
Good
night.
night.
And have a nice week, have a nice Sunday.